Hey, what's going on? Tanya Eliza here from TanyaEliza.com, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top network marketing books that you should definitely read if you're in the industry and you're building a team. So stay tuned. Okay, so I had to shoot outside today. I'm on my top deck. It is absolutely beautiful outside, so I'm definitely taking advantage of the weather, but I'm gonna actually share with you a really cool resource list if you're in network marketing you should definitely take advantage of. In this video, I'm gonna actually, for sake of time, I'm just gonna go over 5 of my top network marketing books that you should read if you're in the industry. I'm gonna explain why I love these books and how they've helped me in my business specifically. And then I'm gonna actually give you, like I do in every Tanya Eliza TV episode, I like to give you a free resource that you can grab on my blog and you can download it and you can implement and you can share it with your team. And I'm actually going more detail in that resource, and I'm going to actually give you my top 10 network marketing books that you should be reading and implementing the skills in those books into your business. So I'm going to go over the top 5, and then if you want to download absolutely free my top 10 list with some extra bonus resources in there, you can go to TanyaEliza.com/13 download. We'll leave a link for you in the description box or below this video. And you can pick up the resources and everything that I mentioned in this video like we do at every episode of Tanya Eliza TV. So my first favorite book is basically a classic, all right? And I have them all sitting right here, so I'm gonna kind of pull them out. It is called Your First Year in Network Marketing. It is by Mark Yarnell, the late Mark Yarnell. And literally, this is one of the very first books that was introduced to me, and I read it, and it really set me up in the right mindset for this industry, how to really set my expectations, what I should look forward to. So I love this book. If you have anybody that is new, who has never done network marketing before, it will actually help them, get familiar with the industry and things that they should expect on their journey inside of this profession. So book number 1, Your First Year in Network Marketing. Okay, so book number 2 is actually a book that I don't have, but I have a version of it here. I actually lent out this book because sometimes I use them as tools and I lend them out to my team and prospects. But it is actually, and I'll leave it in the show notes on my blog at TanyaEliza.com/13 download. But it's actually the Miracle Morning. Now, the one that I love is the Miracle Morning by for Network Marketers. It's its newest edition. You can pick up either one of them. You're gonna love either one of them. I've read both of them, but I love this book. It actually really helped me with getting more organized in my money-making activities. So if you're a really busy person and you don't know how to manage your activities to really get everything that you need to know that you need to do done, then you need to be reading The Miracle Morning. It is absolutely one of my favorite books. I talk about it all the time, and you can get both of them, the regular Miracle Morning, or you can get the Miracle Morning for Network Marketers. I'll leave a link for both of them in my show notes on my blog for you, and you can go and check them out. But how this has helped me has really got me organized, and I get most of my work done now before noon. And before, I used to procrastinate all of my activities, and the day would drag on, and I would still not have all of my activities done by the end of the day. Don't know if that's you, but this book, The Miracle Morning for Network Marketers and The Miracle Morning, will definitely help you. Okay, so my third favorite book is obviously GoPro by Eric Worre. The man, the myth, the legend, Eric Worre. Literally, I love this book so much. I've read it a few times. I grab a lot of training material that I teach inside of my team out of this book. And this is a good one he just breaks it down, man. 7 skills to becoming a network marketing professional. He breaks down the 7 skills, and some skills you might already be really good at, and then it'll help you identify the skills that you really need to learn more and refine. And so when I have somebody that is brand new that started on our team, I'd love to recommend this book by Eric Worre. I'll leave a link and I'll leave some information on my blog at TanyaEliza.com/13 download, and you can check out Eric Worre's book called Go Pro. Okay, so my fourth book that I absolutely love out of the 5 that we're talking about in this video is The Networking Revolution. Absolutely love this book. I'm actually featured in this book as well as one of their success stories. But I did an episode before on my blog where I talked about this book more in depth and how I use it as a tool. But number one, this book is really good to help build belief in our industry. If you're not familiar with network marketing industry, you're just learning about it, this is going to be a really good book to help you build belief in what it is that we do. We all need belief, right? But I use this book as a prospecting tool as well. So if I'm talking to anybody that might not know about our industry and really the benefits that our industry can provide for them, I share this book with them. And I actually did a blog post on how I use this as a tool, and I'll link to that in my show notes at TanyaEliza.com/13 download. I'll link to that blog post that I did, and it'll tell you exactly how I use it as a tool, so you can use it just the same way that I'm using it in my business as well. But I love this book. All right, so my 5th favorite book, I actually don't have it right now because I lent it out. I know we do that sometimes, but it is called Rock Your Network Marketing Business by Sarah Robbins. Now, I love Sarah Robbins. She's a top earner with Rodan & Fields. She's really just a cool chick. I love everything about her. She has a really cool book called Rock Your Network Marketing Business, and I love it. It's so simple to digest. It's really easy, and it's really great for somebody, again, that's new, just learning about the industry and how to put certain skills and actions inside of your business to build $1 million business inside of network marketing. So I'll link to her book as well, link to everything that I've talked about inside of my show notes at TanyaEliza.com/13 download for you. There'll be a link below this video, or if you're watching it on my YouTube channel, I'll leave it in the description box for you. So there you have it. You have my top 5 in this video, and then make sure to go pick up the free resource that I have where I actually list out the top 10 that I love, and you can download that list. You can share it with your new teammates and say, hey, read these books if you want to, educate yourself on the industry as well as refine your skills in what it is that we do to become a professional in what it is that we do. So I hope you love this episode and it did help you. Now, if you have some books that I didn't mention or are not in my freebie download, leave me a comment below and let me know some of your favorite books inside of our profession that I might need to read, or my viewers or my followers might need to read, that have helped you in your business as well. And as always, if you did like this episode of Tanya Eliza TV, make sure to like and share it around as well. Make sure to go grab that free resource this week for your business that we've put a lot of work putting together for you. And every week we do a freebie resource for your business, a free download that you can get along with a new video, blog post, and video on my YouTube channel. So make sure that you subscribe and you stay connected. Be blessed, my friend, and I will see you on the next video.